Hi, welcome to this tutorial on setting up payment plans. Payment plans dictate how the amount owing on a reservation is repaid. It could be in full, could be split over 28%, and a variety of other options. Let's have a look where that's done and how it's actually set up. Let's go down to the module Administration, Setup, Code Tables, Financials, and Payment Plans. Here we can see the payment plans listed now. Let's go and examine how these were set up. A typical 20% after 14 days and 80% 30 days before arrival. Let's select that and have a look at the payment schedule. In this particular case, the split is shown down below. Let's just examine it quickly, take that up. So from reservation date, we would use the base date. There's no agent override. Percentage or fixed, we're choosing percentage on this one. 20%, and the base date offset in days, which is the reservation date, we're saying we need that in 14 days time. That was then saved. The balance of 80%, let's have a look how that was set up. Let's select that. So here the base date is the arrival date, and again, no, we were using the base, no agent override. A percentage, yes, of 80%, and up in the base date offset, which was the arrival date, we said minus 30. So 30 days before the arrival date, we wanted the 80%. Let's look at the others. In this case, we've said 7 days after departure, and we'll look at that one. In this particular case, let's select that, take that up, so the departure date is the base date. Here we've said none, use the base, and no agent override. And the amount will be a percentage again, 100% this time, and the base date offset is 7 days. So 7 days after the departure date, 100%. And the 25th of the month, let's look at that one quickly. Again, we'll select it, and it was set up saying the base date is departure date, and the final date now was the day of the month. No agent override, a percentage, and we came down and said base date offset and final date offset in days minus 6 for the month, off month end offset, 6 taking it back to 25. Let's see how these work on a typical reservation. Let's go to the reservation, financials. We can see that they were planning to arrive here in November, 27th of November. So let's apply those different plans. So we're saying 7 days after departure, which was the 27th of November. Let's update that. Takes it to the 4th of December. They need to pay 100%. Let's move it around and say the 25th of the month after departure, which was November. And that has now moved on to December 25th. Let's look at the other one quickly. An 80-20 plan, 14 days. So from the day of booking, 14 days, 20%, and then 30 days before arrival, which arrival is in November, but in October they will have to pay that 80%. Your payments plans can then be set up here in any number of combinations that you need. This will directly then affect the cash flow and payments due report. We hope you found the short tutorial on setting up different payment plans useful.